Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video, we can see how to install Jenkins on CentOS or Red Hat Linux. Jenkins is an open source Java based automation server which helps you to set up a continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline. The continuous integration is a DevOps practice in which your team members regularly commit their code changes to a version control repository that may be a GitLab or GitHub, after which the automated builds and tests are run. And the continuous delivery is a series of practice where the code changes are automatically built, tested, and deployed to the production. So now we can see how to install Jenkins on CentOS or Red Hat Linux. To install Jenkins, you need to have Java installed in your system. So you can use this command to install Java. Now give us to download and install the packages. Now the packages are getting downloaded. Now the Java package is installed. Now we can add the Jenkins repository to install Jenkins. Now we give enter. Now the repository is added. Next we can import the Jenkins IO key for installing Jenkins. Now give enter. Now the key is imported. Now we can install Jenkins using the command yum install Jenkins. Now give us to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now the installation is completed. Now we can start the Jenkins service using the systemctl command. Systemctl start Jenkins. Now we can check the status. Next we can enable the Jenkins to start the service at boot. Now we can open the browser and access the Jenkins. Now you can enter your mission's IP address :8080. Now we can see the message to unlock the Jenkins. You need to enter the administrator password. You can get the initial admin password from this file. So run the cat command to get this administrator password. Now copy this and paste it here. Now select continue. Now we can customize the Jenkins by selecting any one of this option. You can select install suggested plugins, and you can also select the plugins on your own to install it. I'm going to install it using the suggested plugins. Now the plugins are getting installed. Now the plugins are installed. Now you can create your first admin user. Now you can click save and continue, and you can configure your Jenkins URL. I'm going to set it as default, and now click save and finish. Now we can select start using Jenkins. Now the Jenkins installation is completed, and you can see the Jenkins home page. Here you can create your jobs to automate your environment. In this video we saw how to install Jenkins on CentOS or Red Hat Linux. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries, you can reach me on this Skype ID.